Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. Here are some car maintenance hacks and easy tips to help you save money and keep your vehicle in top condition. Fluid checks and top-ups. Engine oil. Regularly check your engine oil level using the dipstick. Most manufacturers recommend checking when the engine is cold. If the level is low, add the correct type of oil as specified in your owner's manual. Black, grainy, or milky oil indicates a potential problem and warrants a visit to a mechanic. Aim to change your oil and filter according to your manual's recommendations, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Coolant. Ensure your radiator coolant is at the proper level to prevent overheating. Top it up as needed and consider replacing it every 6 to 12 months or around 80,000 miles. Brake fluid. Check your brake fluid level regularly. Low brake fluid can be a sign of worn brake pads, not just a fluid issue. If it's dark or low, it may need to be changed. Windshield washer fluid. Keeping this topped up is essential for clear visibility. It's a legal requirement to have fluid in the reservoir. Power steering fluid. Low levels can make steering stiff. Check and top up as needed. Tire care. Tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to check your tire pressure regularly, especially when the tires are cold. The recommended pressure is usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and safety. Tire tread. Check your tire tread depth. A simple trick is the penny test. Insert a penny upside down into the treads. If Lincoln's head is fully visible, your tread is too low and it's time for new tires. Tire rotation. Rotate your tires according to your owner's manual schedule to ensure even wear and extend their lifespan. Filters and fluids. Air filter. Check your engine air filter periodically. A dirty filter can reduce performance and fuel economy. If it looks dirty, replace it. For the cabin air filter, a clogged one can lead to poor air quality inside your car and reduced AC performance. Oil filter. When changing your oil, always replace the oil filter. Some mechanics suggest cutting open your old oil filter to inspect it for any metal particles, which could indicate internal engine wear. Battery maintenance. Terminals. Clean your battery terminals if you see any white or bluish powdery corrosion. A simple mixture of baking soda and water with a wire brush can do the trick. This ensures a good connection and prevents potential battery failure. Age. Car batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. Check the manufacturing date on a new battery. Ideally, it should be less than a month old. Wipers and lights. Wiper blades. Replace worn wiper blades if they streak or chatter. This is a simple and inexpensive fix that greatly improves visibility. Lights. Regularly check your headlights, taillights, and turn signals to ensure they are all working. Minor repairs and prevention. Paint chips. Use clear nail polish to cover small paint chips and prevent rust. Small dents. For minor dents, try heating the area with a hairdryer and then immediately spraying it with an inverted can of compressed air. Frozen wipers. Put socks on your wiper blades overnight to prevent them from freezing to the windshield in cold weather. Frozen locks. A squirt of hand sanitizer on a frozen lock can help melt the ice due to its alcohol content. Driving habits. Smooth acceleration and braking. Accelerate and brake gradually to reduce wear and tear on your engine, transmission, and brakes. Regular driving. Short trips don't allow the battery to fully recharge. Try to incorporate longer drives periodically. General tips. Owner's manual. This is your best friend. It contains crucial information about your car's specific maintenance needs, recommended fluids, and part numbers. Keep it clean. Regularly washing your car's exterior protects the paint from corrosion, and vacuuming the interior keeps it pleasant and can help maintain resale value. Emergency kit. Keep jumper cables, a flashlight, basic tools, and a first aid kit in your car. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.